I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitcoinchris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into TikTok. Again, Chris, really? I promise you guys, I have uploaded these short clips, and I'm going to continue to do so. I'm going to do a big, long Q&A, and then we're going to chop it up. And so you get these quick, fact-filled videos on TikTok. Follow me over there, cryptobitcoinchris. Bitcoin weekly chart. Every day we talk about this, almost. And it seems like after quite a few days of talking about this, when you wake up in the morning, you're thinking, okay, Bitcoin just lost this key level, this key level's been lost, and that really sets the tone for your ideas about trading, right? Overall, this is not amazing. You need this to be a bear trap, and for Bitcoin to come out, you want to talk about midterm holds or longing or holding coins, this level has to be regained. And always the thing that has to be in the back of your head. Until the bulls can gain this level back, not amazing. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So I called this bear trap in group and on Twitter, and a ton of people longed Bitcoin trades, and they did really well. However, you've got multiple tests of this support. So if this level breaks, there's very good chance that you run down here to 27,000, test the range low. Now you have this bear trap where essentially SPX saved the day and pulled Bitcoin higher. Otherwise, you would have seen this move down here to the low of the range earlier. So again, on these bear traps, when you get these long wicks, a lot of times you get reversal ideas on them. Okay, I mean, this on a higher time frame is a long wick, and you got this huge move to the upside. Just keep watching this channel, keep watching these videos. This is all going to sink in, right? And you're going to make a ton of money over time. So just keep learning. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, actually not even in the group, I called the bear trap on Twitter, made 120% gains. Make sure to follow me over there, cryptobtc_Chris. This person started with $300 on Kucoin 3 months ago. Now he's at $30,000. Huge. This person in Thailand, he's doubled his portfolio over the last 6 months. Now it stands at multiple 7 figures. He's a multi-millionaire because of what he learned in the trading group. You've got to make changes in your life. You've got to make changes in your strategy. I can help you do this. You sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Keep nailing these bangers in group. 220% gains, 312% gains, 492, 389. Then today we nailed these shorts, 72% short on AVAX. This is 55% long on LBT. These gem picks, telling you guys, this was a short, a Solana short, 3x short, 36% gains. You've got to be able to trade the market both ways. If this is difficult to understand, I can teach you this. ADA 3x short, up 47%. Bitcoin dominance started pumping, and we're going to talk about this idea in just a second. But man, it's like so critical that you understand this idea about Bitcoin dominance. I'm going to show you. All right, so we talked about Bitcoin dominance, and I said, I will show you this later and say, I told you so. Okay, here we are. I told you so, whatever. Bitcoin dominance. This can go a lot higher and completely destroy altcoins. So we were looking for this retest, this pullback, money to flow back into the altcoins. And then if it went higher, these altcoins would get devastated. And guess what happened? Bitcoin dominance came down, retest, and then exploded. So what's happening is Bitcoin was down like a small amount, kind of flat at one point, but Ethereum down 6%, right? So if you're trading 3x short, you're up 18% in a day, just based on this idea. BNB was down 5%. ADA was down 6%. Solana was down 8% because Bitcoin dominance. This means money's flowing into Bitcoin out of the altcoins. So people are selling their altcoins. Altcoins are not cycling higher. People are moving money into Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's dropping, this means altcoins are getting destroyed. Make sure, understand this idea. As a simple strategy for you guys, I just put this together real quick. Strategy is important. Make a plan right now. Write it down. Stick to the plan. Trade like a bot. Do not trade on emotions. When you're FOMOing into a coin and you're like, oh, I got to buy this, it keeps taking off, stop yourself. Because this is when good traders take profits, and potentially you see pullbacks right after this FOMO. How many times you buy a coin and it pulls back, right? Don't do that. Falling wedges with bullish divergence are key. I'll buy support, bullish divergence inside a falling wedge before the breakout. SPX, major reversals, and we're going to talk about the SPX and what it's doing in just a second. Major reversals, load altcoins. Short bull traps, and I nailed this bear trap, long bear traps, great entries. If you don't understand this stuff, I'll get you up to speed. Keep watching the channel, hit subscribe. When Bitcoin's choppy, wait for better conditions. You don't have to be in a trade all the time. When you feel so good about a trade that you want to tell someone, if I'm going to call a friend of mine, my girlfriend, man, I'm freaking killing it on this trade, I'm freaking so excited. Whenever you want to tell somebody, selling, start taking profits, right? Always keep a lot of money on the sidelines. When Bitcoin's trending lower, I'm pretty much all cash most of the time. Do not hold coins in a downtrend. When Bitcoin's trending lower, do not hold the coins. When Bitcoin dominance is trending higher, do not hold altcoins. They get wrecked. Always anomalies. There's always coins that do different things. This is just general ideas that will help you become very profitable, make a ton of money in this market. Again, Bitcoin dominance right now is at 46%. This can get up here to 70%. Altcoins get completely destroyed if this were to move to 50, 60, 70% over time, right? I mean, there's exceptions to this idea, but as a basic rule, SPX, the SPX pulled Bitcoin higher earlier. This saved Bitcoin, right? You have this rising wedge supposed to break lower, it breaks higher. But you're right here at resistance. So tomorrow, if this thing doesn't gap up and flip this for more upside, which would confirm a breakout and give us a nice reversal idea, if it doesn't flip this, then you're looking for downside, but you need a bullish retest. There's a lot of money that can be made right in here, but the United States economy looks bad, right? You've seen more weekly red candles out of Bitcoin than ever before. Understand, like, this quantitative tightening is when the Fed, they take the government bonds and other assets that central banks have bought from the market through quantitative easing programs, and they take it off their balance sheet, right? So when quantitative tightening happens, they're reducing the balance sheet, and the Federal Reserve is allowing its bond holdings to mature rather than replacing them. So this passive tightening will slowly hurt the market. So this is happening, and then the Fed is raising the rates. Both of this happening together is what's going on right now. What you're seeing essentially is the Fed is trying to strengthen the dollar. So they're increasing rates, which makes it more expensive for people to borrow. Banks, more expensive for the banks to borrow from the Fed Reserve. So it increases the value of the dollar, and this hurts stocks and crypto. Understand this idea as the major black cloud that's hanging over crypto. Now, can we get a bounce here, and can we get a good reversal? It's possible, but you want to see this level flipped. But again, if you get a high that's lower than the last high, then your next low is going to be lower than this low, right? So you might get some type of rally, and then the next low is going to be even lower than it is, right? So take profits up here. Now, still have to break this level for this to be even considered. So pay attention. Make sure and watch this channel daily. I'm telling you guys, I should be retired on an island right now, but my heart will not let me leave you guys. I'm dragging you to the top with me. I'm not going to quit, period. This person has been a teacher for many years, new to the group, taking it slow, watching the instructional videos. What's the value in this? right? Maybe you're not making a ton of money right now, but this person had all their long-term portfolio, some of the top cryptos. They put a big chunk of it into cash right before the market crash, thanks to your advice. Period. I mean, what is the value of not losing all the money that you've made in the market or the money you've worked for? I can help you with this. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.